Hi, Five. Hello. Nagtatype ako tapos hindi naman pala ako nakamute. I thought I was muted may live. Ibang panahon, parang may bagyo na naman. Thank you, Five, for coming. You look good tonight. Look at me, I'm ugly. Look at my hair. How are you, Five? Sino ka man? Ko'y patuloy na yours. Look good to me. Thank you. Thank you, Five. Patuloy kong mamahalin. Ang daming guya mo. Are you having a good day? I just got home from work a few minutes ago. Not so good, pero pwede na. Pwede. You're just got home. What time to your place right now? It's 3:20 a.m. I think it's 4. Yeah, 4:21 p.m. here. Why you always get home in the middle of the night, no, in the morning, mid-morning? Katinangulo ko, maybe I have a lies. Katinang ulo ko. Excuse me. Excuse me. Katinang ilong ko. I just plug in my speaker. Couldn't hear you. Okay. Thank you for coming. Speaker music. I have tomorrow off work. Okay. Because tomorrow is your day off. So that you drunk. Magdugo, mabuda to ilongan niya. Oh my goodness. Ang ilong ko pa may angkat eh. Wala namang naisisi na.